Friends, today we are going to start preparation of halorine. And first of all, we are doing the preparation of halorine from diazonium salt, from the diazonium salt. Is that clear? And whenever we are talking about the diazonium salt, first of all I will tell you what is a diazonium salt. Usually when we are writing, see, this is the benzene, over the benzene N2 positive and Cl negative is here. This is called diazonium salt or benzene diazonium chloride. So student, before doing this reaction with this one, we have to first of all do the preparation of this diazonium salt. What to do there? First of all, we are going to do the preparation of diazonium salt. You just see, all of you, preparation of this diazonium salt. And the preparation what we will do of this diazonium salt, that is called diazotization reaction. What do you call it? Diazotization reaction. It's very important reaction and it is used further also. क्या नाम है reaction का? Diazotization reaction. Now what we are doing into that? Okay, usually what we are doing, why it is called diazotization reaction? Acid cold solution of aniline. Usually what we are taking, we are taking ice cold solution of aniline, of the aniline. Okay, we are using with the excess of HCl, and we are using the solution of sodium nitrate NaNO2. Okay, and temperature condition will be 273 to 278. Okay, and under these conditions what reaction is occur? That is called diazotization reaction. Okay student, and one thing more I will tell you about the diazotization. Diazotization, okay, usually diazotization word came from the azo group, from the azo group, and we are preparing the azo group. Just like we are preparing chlorobenzene, that is called chlorination. Sometime we are preparing bromobenzene, that is called bromination. So here we are preparing a azo group on the benzene ring. ये benzene ring है ना, on the benzene ring this N2 group is here. Okay, this is like that. This is called azo group. Okay, ये क्या बोलते हैं इसको? azo group. That is why we are going to prepare the azo group. Okay, so let's start its preparation. Okay, what we are doing there into that? Step number one. In step number one, we are preparing the nitrous acid. We are using here NaNO2. Then I told you in the starting HCl. What we are getting over there? We are getting NaCl plus HNO2. This is called nitrous acid. What do you call it? This one you called it nitrous acid. Is that clear? Okay. Then after that, now in the step number two, we are using the aniline. What we are using? Aniline. See, NH2 plus HNO2 plus HCl. Okay, then what we are getting over there, product? So we are getting over there, see, all of you, I hope you all have written the step number one. So I am rubbing the step number one and I am writing the product over there. Okay, so what we are getting in the product, beta, you please all of you see, here we are getting, that is why we are getting benzene N2 positive and Cl negative plus H2. Understood my point? Okay, this is we prepared benzene diazonium chloride. What do you call it? Benzene diazonium chloride. Clear? Benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, students, this was the preparation. Now let's do the reactions with the benzene diazonium chloride. With the benzene diazonium chloride, okay, usually we are having some reactions. Okay, see, number one is here. Number one we are going to do, that is a Sand-Meyer reaction by this is the naming reaction beta, by the Sand-Meyer reaction. Is that clear? Oh, is that clear beta? Same way. Okay, number two is here. One is Sand-Meyer reaction is there. Okay, along with that one more is here. Second one is here, Gattermann reaction by Gattermann reaction. Mainly these two naming reactions we have to do one by one. So let's start. We are starting with the number one. Okay, number one is by the Sand-Meyer reaction. Okay, this is one of the naming reaction. You please see, all of you. Here is N2 positive, then X negative, plus on the arrow. Now what we are using there, Cu2X2. Okay, so it will form over there. One is halogen and N2. Okay, student. Now I will give you one more example regarding this only. You please see, here I am writing N2 positive, Cl negative, and I am using there Cu2 Cl2. So what we are getting over there, here we are getting Cl plus N2. Same way here also you see. I hope you have written this reaction. Here I am changing. Here I am writing. Now see, all of you, N2 Cl negative. On the arrow I am writing Cu2 Br2 oblique HBr. Here was oblique HCl. So when we are I am using like this, okay, then what is going to happening over there? So there will be formation of bromobenzene. What we are using there, bromobenzene plus N2. Okay, so mainly I will tell you what we are using over the arrow, Cu2Br2 or Cu2Cl2. According to that only our product is going to be formed. Clear, students? Same way students, we can make one more reaction. We can also prepare the iodoalkanes. Okay, but iodoarene is a little bit different way. It's not like that as we have done from there. For the iodoarene, what to do there, you just see N2 positive, Cl negative plus Ki aqueous arrow. We are warming the solution, and what we are getting over there, here we are getting iodobenzene. What we are getting there, iodobenzene plus N2 plus KCl. Clear? Just remember beta, K positive and I negative. That is why KCl will be separated. Okay, and what we are getting there, iodobenzene. Same way, we can also prepare the fluoroarenes, but directly it cannot be prepared. So what we are going to do there, you just see there, all of you, there is N2 positive, Cl negative, benzene diazonium chloride. Here I am writing HBF4. Okay, student, just remember one thing. H is always positive, BF4 is always negative. And don't forget to write temperature condition 273 to 270 8 Kelvin. See all of you. So what we are here, we are making one complex. Okay, here N2 positive, N2 BF4 negative. So we have replaced what? BF4 negative with the Cl negative. After that, after the heating, here we are after the heating, what we are getting over there, beta? Here we will get fluorobenzene. What you will get? Fluorobenzene. And see, BF4 was here, 1F came there, BF3 plus N2. Is that clear? And just student remember one thing more. This is also a naming reaction which is called BALZ, Bald-Schiemann reaction. SCHIEMANN, Bald-Schiemann reaction. Just remember this one. Okay. So this one we have done under the Sandmeyer reaction. Now, second part we are going to do for the Gattermann reaction. Now you see the difference in the Gattermann reaction. What to do there, beta? Here N2 positive, Cl negative. But previously we are using Cu2x2, but here only copper salt. Copper salt, let it be here is HCl. So that is why there will be formation of chlorobenzene plus N2. But if you are using there what? Here is N2 positive, Cl negative. And if here you are using copper, comma HBr, and here you will get bromobenzene. Is that clear? This is called Gattermann reaction, and you student just remember these two reactions are very, very important. Okay. Now after that we are going to do next preparation of haloarine. Another method is here. Okay, that is called from silver salt, from the silver salt of aromatic acids. Silver salt of aromatic acid. So beta, might be you remember when we preparing the haloalkane, there also we have done one reaction like that. वहाँ भी हमने की थी, लेकिन वहाँ पर क्या था RCOAG, but at the place of R, here what we are using? Here we are using benzene COOAG, clear? Plus Br2. All the other things will remain same. In the presence of CCl4 reflux, and what we are getting there, beta? Here we will get bromobenzene. What you will get there? Bromobenzene plus CO2 plus AgBr. But previously its name was Borodin-Hunsdiecker reaction. It is same name here also. Here they are calling it simple. They are calling it simple Hunsdiecker reaction. What do you call it? They are calling it by the simple name that is called Hunsdiecker reaction. What do you call it? Hunsdiecker reaction. If in the exam they are asking you Borodin-Hunsdiecker reaction or Hunsdiecker reaction, you can write any one of them. But if they are specially asking you Borodin-Hunsdiecker reaction for the preparation of haloarine, then you must write this one only. Clear? So student, with that only we have completed the preparation of haloarine. Thank you.